2022 Stryker LX 360 and a Merc 9.9 MH. This is a 15-inch transom, and this is a Merc short shaft motor. The LX 360 is a great size boat for two-ish people, maybe two people and a small child if your intent is to use a 9.9. If you're looking to put more people in the boat, you should really consider moving up to a 20 horsepower for this model. This is a great kind of middle of the road size. We do include all of the features that we include on the larger boat. So you're going to have your Bimini mounts, which are 6 points on the boat designed to work with our Bimini. That's our roof system. It's going to have D-rings throughout the boat, exterior lifeline, interior lifeline. It's going to have our advanced flooring stabilization system, fully welded one-piece aluminum transom, which is an absolute game changer when it comes to an inflatable. It removes that standard wood and glued system that's on almost every boat on the market these days. We do include 5 Scotty bases around the boat, which you can plug and play up to 30 different Scotty accessories into. As well, this particular model, this is our aluminum floor model. This boat is offered in an Airfloor option as well. So you do have the 2 flooring choices when you are looking at a 360. My preference is the aluminum overall. I like the feel of the aluminum floor while we're out on the water. The Airfloor is great as you can leave it in the boat when you're rolling it up. It's easier to use for a single person. You just pump it up and everything's ready to go. So that option for the Airfloor is really nice. The aluminum is just, it's so heavy duty. It's hard for me not to use this floor. It does work better with larger outboards as well. Sometimes the Airfloor, it's an Airfloor. So if you're hitting really large waves, you will feel the boat move a little bit more than you will with the aluminum floor. Some people may like that, some may not. I find if you're gonna go over a 10 horsepower, like if you're considering the 20 horsepower option, you should probably consider the aluminum floor option for that particular outboard. This boat comes with everything you need to use it when you purchase it. So it comes with boat in one bag, the floor in another bag, and then all the accessories, so pump, oars, and repair kit. Some very popular accessories to add to this model would be the launching wheel system. That system allows you to unpack it, safely roll the boat into the water without the risk of damaging the bottom. And that is a big deal. Being able to launch your boat safely. The launching wheels are the cheapest insurance that you will buy. They're $200. Great investment initially, removes a lot of that frustration, how to get the boat into the water. You can set your motor on the transom before you wheel it in, and it actually offsets the weight a bit. So it's kind of like a wheelbarrow. It's very easy to use. Thanks for watching our video on the 2022 Stryker LX 360, and today we are running it with a 9.9 Mercury MH.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me